Welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher, Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do the second part of Teen Cell World. Already we have discussed in our earlier class about how the film Hollywood and Bollywood films developed and what are the changes it bring out in today's life. So that because cinemas and movies, these are the mirror of society, and how the changes has been come out in different form of movies. Okay, just like as the silent era, classical Hollywood films, contemporary films after 1960. So now let's go ahead. The start of television. The first public demonstration of a mechanical television was given by the British inventor John Logie Baird in 1926. The TV system we use today was developed in 1930s and 1936. The BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, began regular TV broadcast from London. At first, very few people had a TV set, as each one cost about the same as a small car. But by 1950s, television had become the most popular form of entertainment. Satellite service. In 1962, for the first time, live TV pictures were sent across the Atlantic Ocean by a satellite orbiting the Earth. This meant that images filmed in the United States would be shown at the same time in Europe. Today, people can watch the news all over the globe as it happens, and our world seems a much smaller place. Movie magic. By 1990, in the USA, the average teenager was spending 23 hours a week watching television in order to compete with television. Movie makers had to create more spectacular effects. In the 1950s, new techniques had been invented to improve sound and produce bigger, widescreen pictures. By the 1990s, movies companies were spending the amounts of money on truly amazing special effects. So students, you know that now TV has taken an important place in each and everyone's house. Now suppose if you are in Sita Sawangi, but you can get the information what is happening in London, what is happening in Mexico, what is happening in Johannesburg, means different type of places. That information you can easily get. Why? Because of the television. Simply you can click remote and you can get news, and the updated information is what is going around you. So what happened initially before 10 to 15 years, 20 years ago, the children in means they used to see that TV for a particular time, but nowadays it has become an excess use of television. So here what is given, that how the means the TV has come into existence, and the first TV set it was started in 1926. Okay student, on the basis of this reading you must understand. For example, see what is given here. Complete the following table. In 1895, what happens? The Lumiere brothers projected moving images onto a screen. So in the same way, what happened in 1926, that you have to write down. Same 1927, 1936. Read the given information and try to write down correctly what happened. So what happens student, now see the name of some famous motion pictures are given below. Motion means moving pictures. Okay, initially when the movie was started, there was no talking. It was just like as a dumb show. But then it started a moving pictures. Discuss what these films are famous for. Put them in an appropriate category and complete the chart. Okay. So here there are given three categories: musical movies, science fiction, and comedy. So see the title of these movies: For example, Jurassic Park come into the category of science fiction. Okay, so different type of means whatever whichever movie you know that this is a comedy, this is a science fiction, this is a musical, so you must put this into the proper box. Now see, everyone has a different choice. Some students like patriotic movies, some like horror movies, some like romantic movies, some like comedies. So whatever, these are the different choices. So movies are our favorite sources of recreation. Whenever you are sad, if you see any funny or comedy movie, your mood can be good. Okay, you can transform your mood from sadness to happiness. But there is a more to the world of entertainment than just and glamour of a cinema, as there are films that strongly add up our value system. Many movies teach a wisdom of life also. Okay, so Mother India, if you see the movie Mother India, you will get how the man is too much patriotic, means how we can do something for our country. There are a number of movies. Some movies teach you how the family members are important, just like as a hum saath saath hai. Okay, so the movie give you a very good message, but you must get the correct message through the movies. So student, here is a work for you. Which is your favorite movie? Write its name, what things you have learned in this movie, that also you have to write down any 5 points that you have learned. Okay, and describe means any motivation which you have learned through that movie, that also you have to write down. Okay student, so in this way the second part is over. Now we will see what happen in the next part. Thank you, have a happy day.